the principal, the teaching staff, St. Thomas Girls. Hi. You are good? Yeah. God is good? All the time. And all the time? God is good and that is nature. Wow. Msalimieni kwa hewa. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Amen. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. Amen. We are very happy to be here this morning to come and hand over this bus that has been bought by the Member of Parliament. And I want to say, Mheshimiwa Pongezi, this is the way to go. Your Member of Parliament has told me that it is his vision and desire to build this school from the current population of 1,300 up to 2,500 for Kilifi girls. We want to say your Member of Parliament is focused, and when you focus on education, you really uplift society. Na nyinyi wasichana, nataka kupongeza nyinyi. I want you to stay focused. Are you focused? Yes. Are you going places? Yes. Mumejipanga vizuri? Yes. I want you to work very hard and stay focused. And there is a place for our girls and women in this country. In our cabinet, we have 8 cabinet secretaries who are women, and they are doing a fantastic job. The Chief Justice and the President of the Chief Justice and the President of the Supreme Court and the Deputy are women of substance. In every sector of our public service, in the entire economy, women have taken their place. So even you, working hard, being focused, praying to God, one day you will be women of substance. Mutangangana kabisa. How many of you want to be deputy president hapo mbele? Sasa, how many want to be governor? How many want to be teachers? How many want to be police officers? I can see seated before us here judges, lawyers, engineers, doctors, governors, members of parliament. I want to wish you well. I want to wish you every success for your exams. Are you going to shine? I want you to work hard. I want to wish you every success in the exams that are going on so that you can be admitted to universities and you can go and pursue the desires of your heart, get into a certain profession, and one of these days, hapo mbele, mtakuwa wamama wa hekima na wa maana katika taifa letu la Kenya. Nataka kumletea salamu kutoka kwa bosi yangu na kiongozi wa Kenya, Rais William Ruto. Mmepokea? Ako ziara nchi ya Saudi Arabia, aking'ang'ana kabisa kwa mambo ya uchumi, na atakuwa akirudi hivi jioni. Principal, my boss has already been here and committed almost 40 million shillings towards your project. Ile kikapu yangu ndio ya rais. Kwa hivyo tutatoa tu hapo kwa hiyo kikapu moja. Kazi yangu sasa ni kufuatilia. Mmenituma nifuatilie. Mimi pale ndio mtu ya rais ya mkono na mtu ya kuunganisha mawaya huko chini kuhakikisha ile mambo yote amesema inafanyika. Mmenituma nifuatilie hiyo maneno ndio ifanyike haraka. So hiyo mimi nitafanya. Sasa nyinyi ndio mnafanya mtihani. Mtamaliza lini? 24th. So siku hiyo mkitoka jioni nipange bash kidogo, si ndio?